Hey everybody, today I'm out here on this beautiful summer day at my in-laws swimming pool because we're going to be testing out this right here. This is a Polaris Freedom cordless swimming pool cleaner and it works really well. It's very comprehensive and it has an app that works with it. It can clean the bottom of the pool, the sides, the water line, and it's really easy to use and set up. And I'm really excited to show this to you guys. Now, a quick look at some of the features. Again, it does have an optional app that I definitely recommend using. It's simple and easy to use, and it has instructions built in as well as push notifications letting you know when cleaning is complete. The device will actually climb to the surface for 10 minutes for easy removal, which is pretty convenient. It does come with a manual retrieval hook too, in case you happen to miss that window of time. But in addition, with the app, you can also check the charge status and select from additional cleaning modes. So this does have the ability to clean the floor only, or the floors, walls, and waterline. In the app, you can also do waterline only or a smart cycle. Now for the battery, it is a 9.6 amp hour lithium ion battery that lasts about 2.5 hours and fully charges in under 5 hours. And charging happens on its included outdoor charging station. And it's very easy to put together. You just snap in each side and it's good to go. You just plug in the charging station and the pool cleaner sits on the station when it's not in use and it just charges automatically. And it doesn't take up a lot of space either, which is good. It has a pretty small footprint, which I do like. Now looking at the filter here, it is an all-purpose filter and it's very easy to access under the cover. You just take it out and dump it out after each cleaning, maybe run some water through it, then put it back and you're ready to go for another cleaning. Looking at the device itself, I do like the design and the tank-style rubber tracks, which work really well, give it good traction on the sides and the bottom of the pool. And on the back here, you can see the buttons where you can set it up without the app if you want to just clean the bottom or the bottom sides and waterline. But yeah, it's a pretty cool looking device. Lifting it up, you can see the roller here, which is a flexible plastic type material. It's not hard or sharp, so it's not going to damage your pool liner. And underneath, you can see where everything gets sucked up. And on the top here is the water outlet after everything gets filtered. But yeah, overall, I'm a fan of the design. It seems well thought out and it looks good. And it works really well. And I'll show you too, it does come with documentation like a manual, warranty paperwork, that sort of thing. And it comes with that hook I mentioned, so you can connect that to your pool pole and easily grab it when it's done if you're not able to get it when it sits at the water line. Now let's go ahead and test it out. I'm just going to go ahead and manually start it here. And then you just put it gently into the water, don't just throw it. You can see it will sink down to the bottom. And then it starts its cleaning process. You can see the rollers going to clean the side, and the tracks keep it on the wall. And then to go back down, it just reverses direction. And then it goes around the pool. It has no problems climbing the sides of the pool. Zooming in here, you can see it already has a decent amount of debris in the canister, so it's working well and it's doing its job. Here it's coming over to the stairs. We'll see how it handles this area. I wouldn't expect it to clean here very well. It's trying to get up there. Lots of water flowing, which is good. And then now it's going back down to clean the rest of the pool. Here in the deep end, you can see debris settles where the side meets the bottom, and some pool cleaners might miss that, but this cleaned that spot really well. And it's doing good. Going all around. This is the kind of thing you just kind of let it do its thing. Now again, once it's done, it climbs to the top of the water line and you just grab it and pull it out. Opening the lid, you can see all the debris it captured. Then you just dump it out, rinse it some, and then put it back and you're ready to go. So overall, I'm impressed with it. It's easy to use and it works well. On this size pool, which is about 36 feet long by 16 feet wide by between 3 and 8 feet deep, it takes about 2 charges to really clean all around the pool really good, which is solid. And being cordless, it's very convenient to use. So I like it a lot, and it's competitively priced too. I'll post links in the description, but right now it's $13.99, and there are various deals from time to time. But yeah, that's about the same price as other high quality pool cleaners I've seen, and the fact that this is cordless and it works really well, seems really high quality, and has that app connectivity definitely means this is one that you probably should consider. It's also got great reviews, and it does come with a 2-year warranty as well. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the Polaris Freedom Pool Cleaner. Let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to hit that like button if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.